Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use an SD card reader on your Android phone. So if your SD card reader has a USB-C connection, that's great, but if it only has USB, you might need an adapter like this. It's USB to USB-C. This will allow us to plug it into our phone, so you can just plug it in just like that. Now you can plug in your MicroSD card right there, or your larger SD card for like your camera right here. Let's do that now. So here's a SD card, and then I can plug in a MicroSD card into here, and then I can plug this in to here. But there is a MicroSD card slot there, but let's just plug this in here and then plug it into the bottom of my phone and see if it registers. So let's plug this in now and then swipe up, and the SD card reader I'm using is ONN. I bought this at Walmart. And this one right here, I bought from Amazon, so only like $2 or $3. So let's swipe up, then go to Files. Now you can go to My Files or Files. Both are going to be very similar. My Files is just on your Samsung device. So it looks like I don't have anything reading in here. So I can see under External Storage. Let's try a different one. Okay, so I just placed another one in. I can swipe on down, and I can see the USB storage run right here. So it's got a bunch of different stuff on here, and I think this one was used as like a traffic cam or something like that for the car. So if you want to transfer stuff to it, you can just go to Images, tap it, and then go to Copy to Remove. Then go to the USB storage device, and you can transfer it to it there. Just press copy. Otherwise, just go to the USB storage device. You can transfer stuff out of here as well. You can just hold down on here, and then you can copy it over just like this. If you want to take the entire photo or a folder, then go to your internal storage, DCIM, probably camera will be good. So very easy to use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.